Life appears to have returned to normal for most here in Manitoba, but some experts are calling on the provincial government to reinstate health mandates to avoid a possible COVID wave in the fall. The Manitoba government stopped providing daily COVID-19 updates back in March, leaving Manitobans in the dark about what the situation is like in the province. Dr. Eliza Gerstein says COVID-19 infections are slowly worsening again.
I think we should be expecting to see our case counts increasing this summer.
However, the province's data says otherwise. In the week of June 19th to the 25th, the province reported 157 new cases, 46 hospitalizations, 5 ICU admissions, and 1 death. Gerstein says in reality, these numbers are much higher and is not only worried about the rise in COVID cases, but is worried about the long-term impacts.
Long COVID, to me, is extremely troubling, and I don't think we know yet what the full long-term implications of COVID infections are going to be on literally us for the rest of our lives.
BC's Health Minister Adrian Dix is planning on making COVID-19 booster vaccinations widely available in the fall, as some experts are predicting a third wave of the Omicron variant. Quebec following suit, as that province is planning to offer additional COVID-19 boosters to priority groups around the same time. But there's still no update from Manitoba's government whether they will begin preparations for a potential fall wave. Epidemiologist Cynthia Carr says the province needs to act now.
We have not gotten to where we need to be in terms of investment of excellent ventilation in buildings, and that will be the key to success to help mitigate viruses that are spread through the air.
Carr says the Omicron variant BA.5 is highly transmissible and cases are spiking around the world.
There are some estimates, for example, that one person could infect 16, 17, 18 other people. So that's very much a super spreading type of virus, even spreading faster than the other variants that we've seen.
Carr says the province should consider bringing back the mask mandate to avoid a future wave. Gerstein agrees and says this step is vital.
I don't see asking people to wear masks indoors as a restriction. I see it as a way we can get on with our lives. I don't see wearing a seatbelt in my car as a restriction. So I don't think that anyone at this point is asking, even to limit capacity limits. This is how we live with COVID safely. It's not about restrictions. It's about updating the way that we live our lives to keep ourselves healthy.
In Winnipeg, Alex Karpa, City News.